India is one of the largest country in South Asia, which is famous for diverse culture. But do you know that there are some places in India that you are not allowed to visit, which you may not know? In spite of being bestowed with immense natural beauty, some places in India can't be visited without having a dagger hanging over your head. The reasons may vary, but the restraints are the same. Here we will take you to top 10 places in India that we are not allowed to visit but are wonders to the eye. Okay friends, let's go through these places. Number 1. Aksai Chin. Aksai Chin features on the top of the places you can't visit. It is a ceasefire line, one that separates the Indian controlled state of Jammu and Kashmir from the Chinese controlled area. It lies further to the east and is known as the Line of Actual Control (LAC). It is also referred to as one of the most dangerous places in the world. The infamous LAC passes through the famous Pangong Tso Lake of Ladakh. Need I say more about how beautiful this place is? It is one of the most mysterious places in India. Number 2. Chambal River, Madhya Pradesh. This is one of the beautiful places which showcases India's scenic beauty. This place has been chosen for making of Bollywood films because of its beauty. But because of the native dacoits, this place has been avoided by visitors. However, the danger of falling prey to the regional dacoits is still quite possible, and hence it's actually avoided by travelers. You'll be blown away by how magnificent this destination is. It's the most famous forbidden places in India. Tura. Tura is all about vibrant tribes, picturesque landscapes, gushing waterfalls, limestone caves, and sadly enough, terrorism. This little town in Meghalaya has been the victim of some of the most notorious terrorist organizations of Northeast since quite some time now, making it a dangerous place for travelers. This picture doesn't do justice to the beauty of this region. It is one of the most prominent prohibited places in India. Haflong, an enchanting town in the heart of NC Hills in Assam. Haflong faces major hindrance in its tourism sector by militants of various terrorist organizations. It is heartbreaking that you are not allowed to visit, as this is one of the most spellbinding and unbelievable places in India. It is magnificent and definitely a sight to behold. Do you wish you could go here? You're not alone. Bastar. Bastar is home of the Indian Niagara Falls, Chitrakoot. Bastar is a district in Chhattisgarh with rampant Naxalite activities. The entire district is laden with places of enchanting natural beauty, but unfortunately it's also one of the primary places falling in the red corridor. Isn't this the most beautiful thing you have seen on the internet so far? Phulbani. Some 200 km away from Bhubaneswar in Odisha, this splendorous little town is located boasting of charming waterfalls and picturesque landscapes. It is another place that falls in the red corridor of India affected by terrorism. Do you wish you could eradicate terror and travel to Phulbani? You're not alone. Nicobar Island. Unlike the Andamans, the Nicobar Islands are untouched and pristine. The forests are lush and the beaches are beyond explanation. However, foreigners would require passes to enter the island, and no visitor is allowed to enter the tribal belts unless for some special purposes like research. And even for that, one of will have to go through rigorous formalities. This is one of a kind destination. Siachen Glacier Base Camp. This is highest military point in the world, and normal people are not permitted to visit because this place can also be a hiding place for terrorists, so it is dangerous to travel on these places for common people. Baran Island. The only active volcano in India is located in the Baran Island of Andaman and Nicobar. You can see red hot lava and smoke erupting from the mouth of the volcano for a long distance inside the safety of a small ship. However, no one is allowed to get any closer to the hill due to safety reasons. This region is way too beautiful to even exist. Bhangar Fort, Rajasthan. Anyway, you can visit this fort but with certain conditions. The permission to this fort has been denied after sunset and before sunrise by government due to paranormal activities, or you can say ghosts. There is a board outside which says this. If you want to set foot on this place, then make sure not to visit during night hours. This one is one of the dangerous places to visit even on daytime. This is the reason you are allowed to visit on the daytime only on path which is set by government. As we know, India is one of the biggest countries in Southeast Asia. Though it is blessed with lush geographical landscape and immense natural beauty, and yet there are few places in India that you are not permitted to enter. Have you come across other beautiful places in India that you are not allowed to visit? Tell us in the comment section.